Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So first let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have mirrored selfie. And now, for example, when you have this feature enabled, let's take photo like this and then take another with it disabled, and as you can notice, these both photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.